Hi, I'm Rick Schumacher. I'm the founder and CEO of Pressure Biosciences. We're located about 30 miles south of Boston. We're a life science tools company. We make instruments and consumables that are based on our patent technology called pressure cycling technology, or PCT. We've learned how to turn pressure on and off, and we're able to bring that into the laboratory. As far as we know, we're the first company in the world that's been able to do this. It's important to bring it in the lab because molecules will react to pressure. And we can use pressure, turning pressure on and off, to make molecules act faster, to break apart samples like bacteria and viruses, to speed up reactions. And all of these things are very important in the research lab. And we believe there are about 500,000 researchers around the world that are studying biochemical processes that can be controlled using pressure, something that's never been done before in the lab, turning pressure on and off to control these molecules. What Pressure Biosciences has done is we've developed a whole new method of looking at how to break open cells. What we do is we act like the cell is a sponge. Everybody else beats up the cells. They spin them with little beads and break them apart. We take them and we squeeze them with pulses of pressure. It's a totally new mechanism of action. When you use the squeezing technique of applying pressure on and off, you're able to sometimes get more things out of a cell than you have using the methods that we've been using for about 50 years. And more importantly, you're able to control the process. And the data that are being generated are now showing us that certain things happen faster, happen better, happen more reproducibly when you do it under pressure. So we've begun to develop instruments and bring these instruments into the laboratory for research scientists. We have an instrument called the Barrow PCT HD. This instrument can generate pressure up to 35,000 or 36,000 pounds per square inch. And with slight changes, which we call the Barrow PCT HD Enhanced, this can go up to 45,000. Our new instrument is called the Barrow H248. And the Barrow H248 is a high throughput HD, and 48 because it does 48 samples at one time. Doing 48 samples means a laboratory can run hundreds of samples in a week using this new instrument. The other two instruments are called the Barrow Hub 440 and 880. These instruments are really terrific at very high pressure. For instance, the Barrow Hub 880 can go to 90,000 pounds. So we have an instrument for research scientists all around the world for any type of virus, any type of bacteria, fungus, any type of cell, normal, cancer, abnormal, doesn't matter. We are the pressure company, and we are experts in bringing high pressure and cycling that from high to low and giving the advantage of pressure to laboratory scientists all over the world.